Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss aphorism 95. In chronic disease, the investigation of the signs of disease above mentioned and of all others must be pursued as carefully and circumstantially as possible. So, what we have discussed in chronic disease, in the investigation of chronic disease while inquiring a case, you have to be very careful and you have to find out the signs and symptoms according to the situation and circumstances. Like when a patient coming directly to you, then what you have to do. When a patient is coming from some other pathy, if he is on some treatment or he have just stopped treatment and then coming to you, what you have to do in the case of females, like you have to inquire much about the menstrual cycle and the associated complaints with the menses, or you have to inquire the pregnancy state, you have to inquire about the menarche, you have to inquire how is the lactation period. Then if it is a case of infertility, then you have to inquire much about the sexual symptoms also. And in a case of the problems which are because of the obvious cause or some disgraceful character of the cause, you have to make the inquiry very carefully, and you have to be very faithful. And so according to the situation, you have to be inquiry should be like that. You have to be skillful in taking out the symptoms of a particular case. You have to take the minute peculiarities, the characteristic symptoms and individualizing features of a case. So in those things you have to inquire like that, and you have to be very skillful in taking out those symptoms. You have to follow all the steps which Dr. Hahnemann has discussed in the previous aphorisms. And this aphorism 95 is about the lesser accessory symptoms. What are lesser accessory symptoms? Lesser accessory symptoms are the symptoms from which the patient is suffering for a long time, but they do not pay, or they pay a little importance to these symptoms, because they think that these symptoms are very much normal to them. But in reality, these symptoms are the peculiar symptoms of that case, which will be determining, which will be the base of your choice of remedy. The patient scarcely believe that these accessory symptoms have any connection with their principal or the presenting complaint, but in reality they are very much important. They are the most characteristic symptoms of that given case, and the most minute peculiarity must be attended to in case taking, partly because in these disease they are the most characteristic. You have to find out in the chronic case, you have to find out the most minute peculiarity of that case, most minute characteristic of that case. It may be lie in the presenting complaints, like in modalities, like in sensations, and it may be you will find out in the physical journals or the mental journals. Like you can find out in appetite, or in some peculiarity in the patient's thirst, some peculiarity of desires, aversions, intolerances, peculiarity about the urine symptoms or the sexual symptoms, which can guide to the choice of remedy or the simillimum. So because in these diseases they are the most characteristic and least resemble those of acute diseases. On the other hand, in acute diseases you don't have to inquire much, because the peculiar or the characteristic symptoms are very much self-evident and they are evident to your senses very easily. So in acute diseases you don't have to inquire much, but in chronic disease